Now, unless you're Alex Hormozy, you're going to need some help selling your course because people are not going to trust you right away. And that's totally fine. We should not expect that. But there are ways that we can get people to trust us more. And that's usually going to be through giving away things for free. I know you're like, oh, why do I have to give? It's not really for free. We're really going to give something away in exchange for an email address, which is super valuable to us because then we have them cornered now. But it's building an email list, especially now in 2026 and beyond, it's going to be super, super valuable. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a very simple freebie, how to automate it, and how to get people on your email list, because it's the whole point of creating a freebie, right? We want to get more people on our list so that we can sell to, because it's much easier to sell to people on an email list than it is on a stranger on YouTube or Instagram, right? You're not going to go and buy my course after just watching one video of me. You're going to want to watch other videos and build that trust, you see, and maybe grab some of my freebies. So what you're going to need to set up that freebie to be able to get people on your email list, to be able to sell more of your courses is, number one, a freebie. Number two, an email service provider. So if you're using MailChimp or ConvertKit, now it's called Kit, or Flowdesk or whatever it is, you need that. And number three, you're going to need some patience. So bear with me here. Now I'm going to go through it quickly. So let me show you what to do. So I completely forgot to mention that you do need an extra tool to create your freebie. Now that is, some of these could be free, like a Google Sheet, which is what I created my freebie on, which is a PDF, a course framework to help course creators create their structure of their course. I'll link to that below, but I used the PDF. I just created it in Google Sheets and did a PDF download. Super simple. Now I have something to send them. You can do this in Word. You can do this in Loom, which is a screen recording tool that you can do on your computer, which is what I'm using right now to record myself talking, which would be best for maybe showing people how to do something physically, like play a guitar, right? So that course or that freebie video, you're talking through maybe certain techniques or something. That would be a really cool freebie, right? Because people are putting your face to your name. It's really the best way to do it. Now, you can also use Canva. I love Canva, right? You can like search in their templates, go to guide, go to template, go to freebie, go to graphics, whatever you want. Like they really have so many done for you designs that you can easily put your information in, right? So for example, I use this guide. Say I want to do a guide on how to grow tomatoes indoors, right? That's my ultimate guide, right? All you have to do is change it up. Really put your website. If you don't have it, put your Instagram. If you don't have that, get an Instagram or a social media and then fill it out here. Spend a couple hours on it. Always having the next steps like a CTA, whatever it is, sign up for my course. And this is it, right? You definitely want to link to your course in your freebie if it's a downloadable, something clickable, right? Now, once you export this, download, you have a link. You're going to need to put it on your email service provider. Now, if you don't have an email service provider that has the option to create a landing page, what are you doing? You need to create landing pages. You need to use it to collect email addresses, right? So we're going to actually, we're going to do a landing page. And if you don't have this, then you should upgrade because paying for an additional landing page tool would just be silly because you may as well have it all in one platform, if that makes sense. So look and see. Kit I love. I've been using for 8 years now, but there's some other great ones out there that you can jump on. Just do a quick like Google or ChatGPT search and make sure they have endless, unlimited landing page creation. Okay, on all plans. Now, you can create a template. I like to keep it super simple. Like, look, we can do maybe we're giving away a product. Look, super simple. Let's do this one. Okay. Then how to grow tomatoes indoors. And by the way, I would make this more specific, but I'm not talking about naming our course in this video. Grab this free guide to help you grow tomatoes this winter. Now, again, your course would not be on how to grow tomatoes. Your course would be something more of an umbrella topic to this small piece of it, right? Here we go. Grab it now. Look how easy this is. Enter your email and email below, blah, blah, blah. Send it to me. Done, right? And then you would have to go into settings and then add your, right here, the URL to whatever you're sending them to. That's it. And put save and publish. Now we have it done. And then this link that it gives me is what I'm going to put on my YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media platform that you're using to get your course and your idea out there. Okay. If you don't have a social media platform, that would be step number 1. Pick one that you like most. Okay. And then put that freebie in the link, wherever it's your bio, your profile, wherever you're able to add a link, add it there. And then you can direct people to grab that in any of your content. Comment that, or you can have them comment in ManyChat, comment guide to grab my free tomato growing guide, right? And then you can use ManyChat to automate that. If you don't have a lot of subscribers or followers, I should say, then it should be easy to be able to send people. But if you're using like Instagram or Facebook, you're going to need to individually find them and direct message them. And that's really tricky if they're not following you. So it seems more complicated than it is, but the whole idea is put it in your bio and you don't have to worry about all of that DMing. Say, grab the link in my bio. Once they have the link, they sign up, they go to your email list, and then you can create a tag, right? So add a tag and put it here. Let's do tomato growing list, whatever you want to, tomato freebie list, right? Save. I'm not going to do it now because my email assistant's going to be like, what the heck is this, Aleka? And then you're done. And then everybody that signs up for this freebie goes on this tag, is tagged with this name. And then now you know how many people are interested in growing tomatoes. And if they're interested in growing tomatoes, then you know that they're going to be interested in your bigger course on how to garden or whatever it is. Or maybe you direct them to something else that is related to tomatoes or whatever it is. This is the simplest way to do it. Okay. Then once you build your list, then you can make sure that you're getting more eyes on your content and making more sales. That's the whole idea of creating a simple automation freebie like this, lead magnet. Now, if you're feeling a little bit hesitant on how to sell this freebie or sell your course, you can watch this video that I'm going to pop up here to help you feel a little bit less icky about selling your course.